Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off mic monitor on OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is typically located in the center or lower portion of your screen and displays all your active audio sources. Below the audio mixer, you'll notice a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on this gear icon, as this will open the Advanced Audio Properties window where you can control detailed settings for all your audio devices. Once the Advanced Audio Properties window opens, you'll see a list of all your audio sources, including your microphone, desktop audio, and any other input devices you have configured. From this list, locate your microphone. It should be clearly labeled with the name you assigned to it when you first set up OBS. Right beside your microphone entry, you'll notice a drop-down menu under the Audio Monitoring column. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal your monitoring options. Now you'll see several choices, but the two main options you want to focus on are Monitor Only Mute Output and Monitor and Output. Let me explain what each one does. If you select Monitor Only Mute Output, you'll be able to hear your own microphone through your headphones or speakers in real time. But importantly, this audio will not be sent to your recording or stream. This is perfect for testing your mic levels or checking if your voice sounds clear before going live. On the other hand, if you choose Monitor and Output, you'll hear your microphone and it will also be included in your recording or stream. This option is useful if you want real-time feedback while broadcasting. Select your preferred option based on what you need. If you just want to monitor without broadcasting, go with Monitor Only Mute Output. If you want to monitor while recording or streaming, choose Monitor and Output. Once you've made your selection, look at the bottom right corner of the Advanced Audio Properties window and click the Close button. This will save your changes and apply the monitoring settings you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully configured your mic monitoring settings in OBS, giving you control over how you hear your own voice during recordings and streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.